Welcome to the channel. I am glad you are here today. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can enable the Wi-Fi only feature in the Google Maps app. This option helps you save mobile data and use the app only when connected to Wi-Fi. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. Finally, find the Wi-Fi only option and switch it on. Now your Google Maps app will work only when you are connected to Wi-Fi. Enabling Wi-Fi only in Google Maps helps you save data, reduce mobile usage, and control how the app connects online. It is a simple setting with practical benefits. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.